In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a NAS drive connection on Windows 11. If you've been having trouble accessing your NAS drive, don't worry. We've got you covered. We'll walk through some straightforward steps to resolve common network and credential issues that can keep you from connecting to your NAS drive. So, let's dive right in. To start, let's access your NAS directly. First, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens the Run dialog box, a handy tool for quickly accessing files or settings on your computer. In the space provided, you'll want to type 2 backslashes, followed by either your NAS device name, like so, //NAS_name, or its IP address, which might look something like //192.168.1.100. Once you've entered this, hit enter. If your shared folders open up, congratulations, the network connection is working just fine. If not, don't worry. We'll further troubleshoot your connection. Next, let's check your network discovery settings. Head to your control panel. If you're unsure how to find it, you can search for it using the Windows search bar. Once there, click on Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option to change advanced sharing settings. This is where we'll focus for a moment. Ensure that both network discovery and file and printer sharing are turned on. These settings are crucial as they allow your computer to see other devices on the network, like your NAS. After switching these on, don't forget to save your changes. If you've verified that network discovery is enabled but you're still encountering issues, we'll move on to verifying your credentials. Go back to the control panel and navigate to the Credential Manager. Here, you'll select Windows Credentials. This section stores all your login details for various network connections, and sometimes old or incorrect credentials can prevent access. If you see any outdated or incorrect credentials related to your NAS, remove them. Once you've done that, you'll need to reconnect to your NAS. This time, enter the correct username and password that you know to be current. This step ensures that your computer uses the right credentials when accessing the NAS. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any NAS drive connection issues on Windows 11. The process involves accessing your NAS directly, ensuring your network settings are correctly configured, and verifying your user credentials. Sometimes the solution is as straightforward as updating these small details, and you'll be back to enjoying seamless access to your files. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more helpful videos. Have a great day!